हे गाइस वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। और आज सीन ये है कि मेरी डीसी की ट्रिप ने बुरी तरह से ले लिया है। सो आई केम फ्रॉम डीसी येस्टरडे एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू जॉर्जिया टेक फॉर हैक जीटी। दैट्स द बिगेस्ट वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट हैकाथॉन ऑफ यूएस। तो काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है। बट द बैड पार्ट इज़ कि मेरा स्पेनिश का होमवर्क अभी भी ड्यू है। इट वॉज ड्यू ऑन वेडनेसडे एंड आई हैवंट कंप्लीटेड इट येट। सो उसके 20% मार्क्स छोड़ चुके हैं मैंने। अभी मार्टा में रास्ते में करना है एंड आई एम स्टिल एडिंग सबटाइटल्स फ्रॉम माई प्रीवियस व्लॉग। तो काम खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा। बट आई होप टू गेट डन विद ऑल ऑफ दिस वर्क एंड इट्स गोना बी लॉट ऑफ फन एट हैक जीटी। सो आई विल सी you there. So मैं सोच रहा था कि स्पेनिश का काम मैं ट्रेन में करूँगा, पर ट्रेन की जर्नी इतनी छोटी थी कि कर ही नहीं पाया। सो वहीं पे जाके करना पड़ेगा। So I'm crossing the tallest pencil tower building of Atlanta. Today by coming to Georgia Tech I realized why a lot of students buy a electronic skateboard or like booster board etc. तो उसका कारण ये है कि 20-minute walk from MARTA station to the classroom buildings or housing etc. It's a long walk as compared to in Georgia State University. So board can be useful in saving time. And this is probably the longest line ever stood up in a hackathon. Currently adding subtitle for my last video. In the meantime, my friends are standing in the line.
Throughout the past 8 months, we've worked tirelessly to make this weekend amazing for each and every one of you. We look at Hack GT as a celebration of technology and a festival of learning. अब दो ऑप्शन है, पहले खाना के पहले स्वैग।
पहले स्वैग।
ठीक है स्वैग।
People, so light snacks, skinny snacks are important. अनूर की आज तीसरी गर्लफ्रेंड खत्म हो गई. Includes paid promotion.
So done with day one. ओह यार बारिश हो रही है, इतनी तेज बारिश। मेरा माइक्रोफोन गीला हो जाएगा।
छतरी उल्टी हो गई।
Okay, so done with day one. It was a lot of fun. We got 5 t-shirts and a lot of food. मज़ा आ गया। But next time मैं healthy खाऊंगा। आज काफ़ी unhealthy हो गया। But next time I have to be careful. And we did. Hold on. So we did a lot of brainstorming and we came up with one idea. So we will be finishing it by tomorrow I guess, and then we will be presenting on Sunday. और कल खाना और अच्छा होने वाला है. So super excited for that as well. now we starting with day 2 of our hackathon at Hack GT. तो मैं शेष और नमन के घर रहा था क्योंकि वहाँ पे
पड़ रहा है सुबह सुबह उठ के क्योंकि पता नहीं क्यों ये इसको नाश्ते का बहुत शौक है, बेगल के लिए भागता है।
तो खाना खाना है ना कुछ तो।
कल नहीं खाया था कुछ, कल इतना सारा खाना फ्री मिल रहा था। नहीं आज नहीं यार, आज हेल्थी खाना खाऊंगा।
तो अभी ब्रेकफास्ट करने जा रहे हैं, पर पॉइंट इज दैट आई स्लेप्ट अराउंड 3 AM एट स्टेशन अमन प्लेस। मैं वहाँ पे इस कारण गया था, मेरे पास बेड नहीं था, यहाँ पे बेड था, तो काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल सो
कोई बेड नहीं है,
तो काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल सो पाया। एंड ऑल्सो आई स्लेप्ट अराउंड 3 AM आफ्टर डूइंग माई होमवर्क। तो अभी सिर्फ 4 घंटे ही सोया हूँ, बट आई स्टिल फील फ्रेश। So bagels are over and we are late for breakfast, तो इसी से काम चलाना पड़ेगा। Right now the problem that we are facing is that I forgot my charger at Shresh's place, and Shresh can't come because it's raining heavily. Okay,
not
sorry.
my place.
Okay, both of your place, and the problem is that it's raining. He can come in like one or two next hours because it's raining heavily and he doesn't have an umbrella. And now we have to stick with this laptop and we have to set up the environment
So
again.
what do you mean stick with this laptop?
I mean,
Nothing wrong with this laptop. I just haven't restarted it. I need to.
yeah. Thank you so much.
But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't know. But I'm a creep.
क्या इतनी बड़ी लाइन है, इससे बड़ी लाइन देखी है।
जिंदगी की सबसे बड़ी लाइन देख रहा हूँ खाने के लिए, इसके बाद में आएंगे।
अरे यार अमृतसर इतनी छोटी जगह क्या बताएं, बहुत भीड़ होती नहीं है।
I'm a creep.
This is ours.
अगर अपन किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर जीतते हैं कुछ, तो अपनी मुँह छोड़ा दूंगा।
हाँ, कल सुबह देखते हैं।
कल सुबह नहीं यार, उड़ा दूंगा।
हाँ।
ऐसे नहीं, कल सुबह बस वो रेजर लेके खड़े हो यहाँ पे उड़ाने के लिए। समोसा थोड़ा एवरेज लगा था, इसलिए मैं 3 लिया। बटर चिकन बहुत बेकार था, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा ले आया।
एक्चुअली सारा खाना बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था, सो आई ब्रॉट एवरीथिंग इन एवरेज क्वांटिटी।
जल्दी टी-शर्ट रखते हैं, सेकंड राउंड लेके चलते हैं।
हाँ। Come to the student center of Georgia Tech and I was amazed by the infrastructure.
I need help trying to improve my machine learning model.
And someone also made a request that, hey, I need help in brainstorming an idea after 24 hours of the hackathon. So now we had come to this Georgia Tech Student Center, and it's just an amazing place because they had shower and it is open 24 hours as compared to Georgia State University, because that was open only till 2 a.m. And also, like, you can sleep here, study here, but in Georgia State University you have to go home, so it's just amazing. And also we realized that our wardrobe is full of more free t-shirts as compared to the paid ones, all of us together. Thank you. So basically they all love bubble tea, but for me it's just sugar with water. So now we are going to Jason's place, and now I'll get a chance to show you an apartment of a Georgia Tech student. It's gonna be a lot of fun too. It's one of the best views I've ever seen. Cleanest and most organized apartment I've ever seen here.
It's calibrated towards my head. So this should...
Wait, so it's not recognizing Harnoor's head?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so there you go. Okay, class. Take a picture.
Wow.
Imagine being able to vlog with that.
Yeah.
Anything you do.
Picture quality is not that good. It's super yellowish. Once again, one of the most organized room as well, and the coolest part is his table is smart. He can move it up and down. His keyboard, mouse, his whole desktop system is so smart. 3 monitor setup, 1 monitor setup for the Raspberry Pi. His calendar is here. It's just an amazing setup. I was amazed by it. But the con is that this apartment is very expensive. 1100 per month is considered cheap here. For me, 1100 per month at GSU was expensive. So different standards, different thinking, and smart people.
Drives around a bit.
Starting with day 3, time to present, we publish our project around 3 a.m, slept for 4 hours, and super excited. We will most likely be presenting around 10 a.m. Yeah. So luckily we are in the second round to present, or the good part is they are giving lunch at 10 a.m. So I was shocked first time it's at 10 a.m.
Free lunch.
Free lunch, okay, got it. And we just practiced our pitch and we feel pretty prepared.
Sponsors, please finish your expo judging who the winner is, and then move on out to the courtyard. Once again, sponsors, wrap up your decisions for your projects.
So we just presented our project, but there was a problem that there were 2 teams with the same name, Hermes. So that's why we didn't get a slot easily. So we had to ask them, hey, we don't have a booth number. So we were shocked by it. So then we requested each and every single judge, and then they stopped by. But they stopped by for like more than what they were like planning to. They were stopped by for 3 minutes, but they stopped by for 10 minutes. That was amazing experience, and I think they liked our product. But let's see if we win or not. तो नमन ने शर्त लगाई है, अगर कोई भी प्राइज हम जीतते हैं ना तो वो भी मुझे काट लेगा, देखते क्या होता है।
काट नहीं लेगा, पूरा शेप करेगा, सिर्फ मूंछें और बाकी दाढ़ी रहेगी।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली यही पॉइंट है।
So best concept, but they didn't have enough time.
जीत जाएंगे तो
Yes, we did not win, and I was waiting for the moment कब मैं रेजर पकड़ूंगा और नमन की मूंछें काट दूंगा. But anyway, it was a great achievement because they announced us as one of the best concept for the project, and it's a big achievement because there were 250 projects, 250 teams, 1,000 students all over United States and North America. So getting one recognition among 1,000 students, it's a big achievement for us. So we feel proud of it, and I'm gonna definitely add this in my resume as well. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.